All right, so the next question I'm going to do is number 6, the ratio of hands to fingers. Well, let's count real quick. We got 1, or how many hands do we have? And it's saying hands to fingers. So first we're going to put our units. Hands, fingers, right? Hands goes on top because that's what came up first. The fingers. So how many hands do we have? Well, we have 2 hands. How many fingers are on there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 fingers. All right. And so this is our ratio, but can this be simplified? It sure can, because they can both be divided by 2, right? So when I divide 2 by 2, I get 1. Let me turn that back to black. And when I divide 10 divided by 2, that equals 5. So our ratio is 1 to 5. 1 hand for 5 fingers, right? So which letter is that? That would be, I'll let you guys figure it out. No, I won't. It's C. All right, that's question 6. This one says, number 8, write the ratio 4 to 16 in 2 other forms. Well, if you're reading it right, it's going to be 4 to 16. And then we have, that's the bell. We also have 4, I shouldn't have done that. Okay, 4 over 16, right? And then our third way, of course, which it already gave to us, is 4 to 16 this way. So this is super easy question that you guys should all know at this point. All right, a van travels 280 miles on 14 gallons of gas. At this rate, how much gas will it need to travel 520 miles? All right, so like most of these questions, we're going to figure out what we need to put first. So travel, we're going to say miles, okay? Instead of travel, this is how much gas will it need to travel 520 miles? 1 second. So it's going to be miles over gas. So how many miles do we have? Because we need to figure out our unit rate at first. So our unit rate is going to be 280 over 14, okay? And what do? How do we turn this number into unit rate? Remember, unit rates have to be with the 1, so you're going to divide by 14. All right, so 280 divided by 14 equals, all right, so 14 goes into 28. 2 times, which gives us 28. 28 minus 28 is 0. Left is 0. It's going to be 0. This is miles per gas. All you have to do is divide 520 by 20 to get your answer. So you figure this out, and it's going to be your answer.